USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share here. And below the video you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram. You can join that and you can book consultation if you want to talk to me, and you can get this robot and print money by doing nothing. It does work, okay? It literally works. Go and check that out. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are in the downtrend with some rejections. Okay, so this rejection, and then coming back to Delhi. What we have in Delhi, we have, let me check, this is broken. Yes, so this previous BOS is broken by this high, and then this was your new uptrend. This is daily, right? So this is your new uptrend. Pull back, we should go up, but not straightforward. So we have this zone on 4-hour chart. Okay, so in 4-hour you can see that we had been getting rejection from this zone, right? So price rejecting, and then closing above the EMA. If it was Friday market don't make sense. What happens in last 10 hours on Friday doesn't make any sense. Okay, anyway, so the simple trick here is that I have my zones here. If the price breaks above my zone, we will go up. If it breaks below my zone, we'll go down, and that will be with momentum. Okay, not breaking, but breaking with momentum. Okay, so we break, if we break above the zone with momentum, we go up. If we break below the momentum, if we break below the zone with momentum, then we go down. Okay, and that's what we can see from 4-hour. Anyways, trend is still down. Okay, subscribe, like and share, join Telegram and get the robot if you want, print money on autopilot, and book consultation if you want to talk to me. I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.